With almost everything in life, you have choices. You can pick a lot, a little, or somewhere in the
Hey guys, I'm back here. So it's been a long time. I mean, I guess like it's 2 weeks uh since we did our last stream. Okay, so oh sheesh. Let me pull up my yeah. It's been 3 weeks. Procrastination. Okay, so today we're gonna solve some of the problems on HackerRank where we left off. I have been solving it offline, but I was just not streaming them. Let's get started. Hmm. Oh, yeah, my microphone is working. Okay, so let's just choose. Okay, so I've been solving Java problems offline and a few Python problems too, but today I'm gonna stream easy. Let's start with the easy ones. What we always do, right? Okay, so let's go with this one, shape and reshape. Okay, so let me copy this link, update my string. Where are you? Where are you? Okay. I'm going live right now. Where it is? Oh, sheesh. I lost it. Okay. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Right here, I have to change the. Okay, I'm solving this one. Working fine. Okay, save the stream. Okay. let's move forward over here and shape and reshape. Shape tools gives a tuple of array dimensions and can be used to change the dimensions of an array. Import numpy array array.shape 5, 1 row and 5 columns, right? So this function is used to change the shape of the array and change the dimension of it. So okay, we got this thing. You're given a space separated list of 9 integers. Your task is to convert it into a 3 by 3 numpy array. Okay, I guess that's easy. At least from here, I know it's easy. Input. Okay, right. Let's just this map and input. Okay. So we got we string it, we map it, we list it. Now we just have to say numpy dot reshape. Okay. Once we have the shape of the array, we can pass in the input, that is a list, and then we can pass in the dimensions. We want 3 by 3, 3 rows, 3 columns, and then print the, oh yeah, I have to print it. Okay. No. I'm going to print the input. So, okay, so we are also getting the spaces, right, which we don't need. We have to split. Okay, so works fine, but we need an integer. So let's just okay. So in the code works fine. It was easy, way easy. 25. Okay, so zeros, and the zeros tools returns a new array with a given shape and type filled with zeros. Okay, so we got zeros of 1 and 2 with default as a float. Okay, so with that 1 2 means like 1 is the row, 2 is columns, right? What we have to do is 3 3, right? Okay, you are given a shape of the array in the form of space-separated integers, each integer representing the size of different dimensions, right? Your task is to print an array of given shape and integer type using the number of zeros and ones. Okay. Okay. So 3 matrices of size 3 by 3, right? First with zeros and then with ones. Okay. Okay. So the first thing is we have to get the I don't know, I like this name too much in for input split, right? We're splitting it and okay, then in number of metrics, right? So we need actually that will be the number of columns in a big array. That will be the number of columns, and in that matrix we have 3 more matrices, so it's 2-dimensional. So 1 2 yeah, input 0 number of matrices, right? Rows import 1, it will be the number of rows, columns will be the number of, right? Okay, we got these three variables over here. Okay, yeah, that is fine. Okay, so number of matrices, 0, input row and column. Over here we can generate numpy dot zeros, which will be the, okay, and that will take two arguments, will be the rows and columns, right? Rows and columns. Okay, and the type will be, or the type will be, I forget it, numpy dot int, right? Okay, okay. So this will generate a 3 by 3 one matrix, but we need three matrices, and those three will be in an numpy array. Okay, so first for I in range 2, why I'm using range 2, because we need the zeros and ones. Okay, so I'm a little confused about this thing. So first we'll take zeros. Do we need, no, we don't need in range. We can just use two loops, for one for the 0 and one for the 1. For in range number of matrices. Okay, right? Rows and columns, right? In numpy, right? Okay. Numpy dot array will get this thing. Okay, so B02 will be 100. Oh yeah, first we can use the zeros and then the reshape. Let's try this one. Okay. Okay, my zero list auto append numpy dot zeros with rows and columns, and the data type will be the integer, right? This is what we need. Let's duplicate this thing, because we also need this for our ones, right? Ones connect over here, rows, columns, same thing goes with that. My ones list, okay. Okay, go to it. Okay, I hope this append works over here. Okay. Object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Weird. Weird me. You have to convert it into an integer as well. Okay. Sheesh. Okay, we got this input. Sorry, output is. Oh, what I'm doing is convert it into a list with one row and three columns. Okay, so print. Sheesh, man. Okay, do we need this thing? Yes, I think so. Yes, this is what we need. Why I'm getting an error? Cannot interpret one as a data type. Reshape, reshape, reshape. Oh, okay, what is going wrong over here? Can we just simply like create a numpy array, like initialize it over here, numpy dot array. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, opening this thing. We don't need the reshape. We just need to print the my zeros list, print my ones list. Okay, array missing required argument position 0, numpy dot array. Bro, there are 10 ways to initialize an array. What the heck? No, 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 we don't need this. Oh, okay. Oh, I get it. So I was just missing these square brackets and the sheesh, I hate these ads. Okay, so we got the square brackets. Okay, it doesn't have append function. Okay, numpy dot append. Okay, can we do this thing that right? Now this thing is going to work, right? Instead of doing this thing, we can say, okay, one is passed, let's submit the code. Okay, one is failing now. Rows and columns. Okay, rows and columns. So what are we doing wrong over here? You're given the shape of an array, the form is visible. Okay, this is what we're doing. Okay, that's exactly what we're doing. Okay. This is the problem. Like, if we solve the sample test case, we don't know what will be our next sample. Like, so we have to test it out by ourselves. Okay, so they said that each integer is greater than or equal to 1 or less than or equal to 3. Let's test our own. So I want one matrix in each of those of 3 of 3. Wait, okay, works fine. Still works fine because we have one and then we have 2 rows and 3 columns, right? In each of those seems to be fine. 3, 1, and 2. So 3 matrices with 1 row and 2 columns, right? Right, 1, 2, and 3. Fine, good. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, that is fine too. Uh, they're giving us a. Okay, let's choose 64. Okay, now the error is gone. Actually, it was just a deprecation warning. Okay, we still have it. This is the exact answer that we need. Okay, runtime error. So runtime. But why we are having an runtime error? Yeah, we shouldn't get a runtime error because we have just three. The maximum matrix we can get is 3 by 3 matrix. We cannot go more than that. Okay. So. Let's submit the code and check. Again, compiler message wrong answer. Okay, so we are getting the answer, but it's wrong. Wrong answer, right? Where we could go wrong, where we are doing the things that is just the one tool returns a new array with a given shape and a type field with one. Okay, okay. I have no clue why is it doing that. Okay, that works perfectly fine, but 333 is working fine, right? Okay, so what we are not doing. So let's just try 3 matrices with 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, 3 matrices. Okay, 3 matrices with 2 rows and 2 columns, right? Okay, fine. This is how it is supposed to work. Let's just go through this thing again. You are given a shape of an array in the form of a space-separated integers. The size of different dimensions. Your task is to print an array of given shape and integer. Okay, size of different dimensions. So 3-dimensional, right? 3 means 3-dimensional. So I guess we are messing up with the dimensions over here because even if I put 1 over here, it's still going to be this is a 3 by 3 matrix, but the dimension is 3, 2. Look at this. Look, the dimensions are still 3. So we have 1, 2, and 3. This is supposed to be only 1-dimensional. Okay. So reshape of my zero list with in an empty array. Okay, yeah, the shape. Okay, reshape should be 3 by 3, right? So 3 columns and 3 rows, but we need to reshape it in a way that it is only one one dimensional, right? But this is 3 by 3 matrix with one dimension. It's not setting the dimension of the array. Okay, so reshape once one code. No. Okay, let's just take this thing, go over to our sublime, right? That is what I don't know what I was doing before, but I pasted it over here. Right, this is what we have. So currently we're getting this thing. Oops, okay. We got a 3, no, 3, right? So cannot reshape array of size 27 into 3. Yeah, because it's 27, right? So we need the shape to be, let's just do rows, comma, columns, right? Cannot reshape array of size 27 into a 3 by 3, right? So we cannot give it a 3 by 3. Okay, maybe there is another one uh, using the number of matrix. If this thing works, it's just luck, because I don't know if this is the functionality of this function or not. Sheesh, man, look. This is how it works. We were missing that one thing, and I just assumed that maybe maybe this is how it works, and yeah, it does. So let's just go back over here, paste this thing over here, run the code again. We're getting the right dimensions. No, we're not. No, no. Okay, one with the set dimensions. Okay, that is type ND array, x dot shape is going to be 2 by 3, x dot data array is going to be this thing. DD array in numpy. Okay, so a dot shape 1 by 6, right? Okay, with one column. No. I guess it's something related to a range. If I arrange it as 292, my ones list. It is taking longer than usual. Okay, so we got an array of arrays. Now we just have to convert it into an. The thing is that we are appending it to a list, right? And that list should only have one dimension or two dimensions. Mm, okay, so we got an array of it's already in. Can we do this thing that print the array and you get the results in shown? We are doing it. This is what we are doing. We are printing the array. Okay, converting the array into this thing. Okay, let's just unlock one of these. Oh, no, this thing is not clear. Look at this thing. This thing is not clear over here. They said that a single line containing a space separated integers. Like, I don't know, man. What do you, three with three of two? Oh, if its length is if there is nothing in there, then it's going to be one, right? Okay. So we are checking if the length is this thing, else we just gonna. Okay, that is weird. Go back over here. If length is equal to 3, then we're gonna do this thing, this whole thing. If it is not, then we're gonna do the same thing, but we're just gonna do this thing one time, then we're gonna print it, right? Okay, take this whole thing, rows and columns from here. Okay, so we got the row and the columns. My zero dot list. Now we don't need these ones, or we're gonna copy it, right? And then at the end we can just we just gonna print the thing. Okay. Okay. If length of this thing. Okay, guys. This thing should be. Input list. So if length is equal to 2, then we're gonna do this thing. If it is not, then we're just gonna do compilation y. Why is that? Why is that? 3 by 2, right? So we're going 3 rows and 2 columns with this numpy arrays. Oh, then we don't have to append this thing. We just have to print it. We just have to print the just have to print the array. Okay, go over here. Please work this time. Oh yes. Oh my god, man, isn't this? Okay, so we got this thing covered. Unless we have to let's unlock this one too. What? Look, this thing is not clear over here. This is totally wrong that they're not telling us that there can be more than 3 input, right? So look at this thing. So they didn't tell us like there will be they didn't tell us the exact amount of inputs. It can be 3, 2, or how much. That is weird. That is wrong with this problem. We're gonna see in the so that is weird. I have no clue what this thing. So 3. So that is like 6, right? It's going to be 6 dimensions. Like because we have 2 by 2 matrices, right? 2 times like this thing and this thing, right? Over here, and then this thing will be enclosed in this thing, right? So 2 by 2 matrices with the same thing. I just know that this problem is like easy to solve. Like when I'm gonna check the solutions, but it's not easy for me. Okay. 2 by 2 matrices. Going to like let's just suppose we're taking this thing, right? We can just I'm getting where is it going? Okay, so anyways, it's just a brute force method to solve this thing. I know that. Equals to 4, right? And then what we have to do is we have to take the same thing dim1, dim2, then we have the rows and columns. Okay, so actually it's just increasing the dimensions of the array. So 0, 1, 2, and 3, right? So first we're gonna say for I in range dim, and then for I in range dim2, right? And so the array will be created right over here, so that we can have our multi-dimensional array, right? So it's getting a little messy, right? You can use the same thing, my zero list and my ones list, which will be over here, my zero list, my ones list. Okay, it's gonna be over here, right? So once we're done with our first array, then we're gonna have our my main zero list and my main ones list, right? Oops, I was not talking all the time, my bad. Yeah. So what I just did is that uh so as I didn't specify over here that the input is only 3, right? But they're also giving us multi-dimensional arrays which I didn't knew before, but now I have to solve for that too. So what essentially I'm doing over here is that using two loops so that I can have a multi-dimensional array. So if we have a 2 by 2 matrix, so we're gonna add that to one list, that will be a two-dimensional array, and then I'm gonna add that 2D array to one more array that will give us a three-dimensional array, right? So that's why I'm using two loops. First, I'm gonna create an like numpy.0 function, copy it. You don't have to write it. Okay, we don't have to write it. Okay, and this will get a numpy.zeros. Why I'm saying numpy.zeros? It's numpy.zero. My zero list dot append, right? Okay. Okay, that seems to be working fine. Dimensional 2, go over here. It's gonna work, I know that. So my zero list dot append will be replaced by my once list dot append, right? And once we are done creating it, so now we have, let's suppose if we have 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, right? So 2 by 2 matrix will be, there will be two by 2 matrices in a zero list, and that list will be added to our main zero list, which will be now a four-dimensional, sorry, four-dimensional array, right? My zero list. Remember, this is the end of our loop. My bad, my main zero list. My main zero list dot append is going to be our my zero list, right? Okay, that is getting weird now. It's too many variables, getting out of control. My main ones list gonna go with my ones list, right? So here we'll have this thing, Now just what we have to do is we just have to print this out of a loop over here. Okay, that is just a messed up code now. Okay, so this thing goes over here, number.array my main. Okay, so let's just review what we are doing over here is that if the length is equal to 4, then we're going to take this thing, input 0, 1 to 3, we create two things, we're going to do 2 times, and that 2 times will be run by the more of the 2 times. We're adding it to that one, then we're adding this list to that list, then we're just printing the array. I hope it, okay, test case 3 is failed, right? Why? I just bought it. Expected output? What is my output? Oh, okay, okay. 3222. This is the weirdest error ever. Sorry. Winter is here, guys. Winter is here. Okay, so submit code. Work. No, it didn't work. Okay, compilation successful. Okay, what is this now? Okay, okay, I get it, I get it, I get it. We didn't add ones over here, guys. Ones. We're just creating the zeros. Submit code. Yes, it worked. Good. Finally, I've solved this without cheating. Yeah, but let's check what other people did. Um, leaderboard submissions, right? No, this is my submissions. Discussions. Okay, okay. Now this is what we were really talking about. So what did he just use a list comprehension input dot split, and then he said number zeros with n, number zeros 1 with n, print z o separated by this thing. But okay, now these are way more optimized solutions. Yeah, this seems like us. Number dot zeros shapes. Okay, yeah, this is my man. He came up with a big solution like me. uh so we should also share our solution, right? Copy paste over here, discussions, go to comments, write my solution. Okay. No. Posting. Okay, yeah, here it is. Let me check what is going on with the stream. Okay, guys, that's all for today. I'm gonna close the stream now. Okay, see you guys. Take care.